you and my friend.
My name is Manadea Saputri, NPM 23411182.
My name is Farira Nuranisa, NPM 2341111X5.
Variable function and common problem in regression analysis. Variable function in regression analysis. Dependent variable y, the variable we want to predict or explain its value. The value of this variable is influenced by the independent variable. Independent variable x, the variable used to predict the value of dependent variable. This variable is considered a cause or factor that influence the dependent variable. Common problems in regression analysis. Multicollinearity occurs when independent variables are very strongly correlated with each other. This can cause regression results to be unstable and difficult to interpret heterogeneous. The variance of the residual difference between the actual value and the predict value is not constant. This violates one of the basic assumptions of linear regression, autocorrelation. Residuals are not independent of each other. This often happens with time series data. Outliers, data that is very far from the other data, can significantly influence the regression result. Nonlinearity, the relationship between independent and dependent variables, is not linear. The linear regression model is not suitable in this case. Incomplete data, missing or inaccurate data can cause bias in regression result. How to solve the problem? Multicollinearity, remove one of the highly correlated variables. Use ridge regression or lasso regression technique. Heterogeneity data transformation. Use a regression model that is robust to heterogeneity. Autocorrelation. Use a regression model that takes autocorrelation into account, such as the ARIMA model. Outliers, remove outliers if they are clearly data error, or use robust regression methods. Nonlinearity, transform data, use nonlinear regression model. Incomplete data, imputation of missing data, use analysis method that can handle incomplete data. Important to remember, selection of the appropriate regression model depends greatly on the type of data and analysis objective. Interpretation of regression results must be done with caution, especially if there are problems in the data. Analysis of variables and problems in regression surface to understand the relationship between the variable involved in a research or experiment. A variable is something data can be measured or observed and can change. There are two types of variable analysis in regression, namely dependent variable and independent variables. The attachment variable is the variable that we want to predict or explain, while the independent variable is the variable that we use to predict the attachment variable. Problems in regression analysis are problems that we want to solve using regression analysis. For example, we might want to know whether there is a relationship between income and level of education, or whether there is a relationship between the number of hours studied and test score. In this case, income or number of hours studied is the dependent variable, while education level or test scores are the independent variable. By understanding the relationship between these variables, we can create a regression model to predict the value of the dependent variable. Based on the value of the independent variable, this model can be used to make decisions or formulate strategies in various fields, such as business, economics, or social science.